Hi, I'm Jason Greenspan, the CEO of Whoosh. People never believe how dirty their screens are, so we came on the streets today to show them. Hi there, can I show you how dirty your phone is?
No, I actually don't.
Hi, can I show you how dirty your phone is? No? You're okay? Everybody likes having dirty phones. You know how dirty that phone is? Seriously, it's really dirty. You know it's dirty than a public toilet seat? You know that? You want to see how dirty it is?
Sure. I have a screen protector on.
That's totally cool. So this is a swab test. It actually measures the amount of grossness and dirt and grime that's on your device.
I think that's still something I test. It's gonna be gross.
I don't know, we're gonna find out.
Oh, I don't even want to do that. No, I don't want to.
You want to do your adapter?
No, I don't want to.
A little shake. Put it in. And what this measures is the amount of dirt and grime and dust on your screen. So it actually shows you, it's a representation of actually how dirty your screen is.
Oh yeah.
Pretty gross. Your phone's pretty gross. That's pretty dirty, so we got $199.
Okay.
So it's pretty dirty, your phone.
Yeah,
right?
This is supposed to be at 0.
It should be as low as possible, man.
Right.
So we make a pretty cool cleaner that cleans your phone for you. So this is Whoosh.
Okay.
Right, it's all about tech hygiene. So you wash your hands, you wash your clothes, you clean your dishes,
Yeah.
you brush your teeth. Why don't you clean your phone?
Is this like a new thing? Is that
Yeah,
what you guys are?
yeah, we're Whoosh.
It actually works.
Yeah.
It makes it shine like new and no fingerprints. So it actually resists fingerprints. There's no fingerprints.
That's awesome. Oh, that's really cool.
Oh shit, that's clean as fuck.
No fingerprints. Right? And it's shiny like new. And all clean.
Thank
And
you.
look how happy you are now. You got a clean phone.
Yeah.
So I'll give that back to you. Take a new swab. Do the same kind of thing, right? Zero. You got a clean phone. That's pretty cool, eh?
Not bad.
You got a pretty clean phone.
Wicked.
That's impressive.
Thank you.
Cool. Thanks.
You're welcome. Thank you. There you go.